Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all my fidgets. They're not all out of my bag. I put them in my bag for a reason, I'm just like going off today. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know how I fit all of this into my bag, but yeah. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay. Oh no. Okay. I have a lot. Not that much as like Purple Stars 02 or 09. But yeah. I just want to show you guys. I don't want any hates. I didn't get like 1 subscriber yet, but yeah, it's fine, I guess. It's fine. And I only got views. Not that many views, but like, yeah. So, yeah. If you can subscribe for me, can you please do it? Look at that. Oh, okay, so this is the first thing. It's like a gel ball from a netball. Not really my favorite because it's like sort of heavy. Yeah. But anyways, now we have this butterfly dimple. Honestly, I think this is my favorite. And I might get this video cut off for no reason. But yeah, I'm gonna do part 2 if I can. If I get cut off this one. So yeah. But now we have this dimple. Okay, so now we have this poppet. When you put it in the sun, it changes to pink. But now we have this. It's like a unicorn thing. It's from my older cousin because she felt bad that she couldn't come to my birthday. So she got me this for my birthday. So yeah. I actually like really love this. So yeah. And then I have this rainbow donut. I think I showed you it at the beginning, but yeah. But now I have this white sparkly like mini stress ball. It's from Dollar Tree. Not really good. There's more colors and yeah, but they were like basic and dirty. This one was my friend for me. It was the only one I liked. And this is like the only fidget I found there. Yeah. But now I have this. I think I showed you it on one of my videos of me opening my fidget pack that I made. So yeah. This is like a rubber, not have any sound. You can like do that. Then I have pop tubes. And why this one has like stains on it is because my big brother, he took this one and then he like opened it like that and then he put it in his Coke and then he drank it. So I had to wash it a few times with lots of soap. So because he has germs. So yeah. But now I have these bestie fidget things. Fidget spinner poppets. So yeah. These ones is like for my bestie and I. Because people have besties, right? Yeah. But now I have this smaller one, and when you put it here, it says good luck. I don't know if you could read that because it's like the other way turned. This one, I like it a lot. Okay, wait, let me find the rest. No, where are you? Oh my god. And then they have these like needles. And these two are broken. This one's inflatable. It's inflating because there's like sort of a tiny hole in it. And this one, it has, when I was just like squishing it, it became like this. So I never squeezed it. But yeah. But now I have these bracelets. This one was on my fidget pack. So yeah. And then I have this one. And then I have this bracelet. This bracelet. And this bracelet. Yeah, that's like all the bracelets I have. And then I have this croissant. Also from Dollar Tree. And this hot dog. It has like a bad design on it. I'm not sure why. But yeah. Now my favorite. I got this. It's big, but it's just like, look at that. It's so cute. But it's like really heavy. Okay. Oh. Okay, got it. Now I have this unicorn puppet. And then this tie-dye heart puppet. It has like a hole in it. And then turn it around, it's white. And then I have a blue pop tube. Yellow neon needle. And then I have this butterfly puppet. It's like really light because it's small. Where is it? Okay. And then I have these two spike balls. I really hate it. But then I have these like Twizzlers, but you don't eat them, you play with it. It's like twistable. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, actually, look at that. It's actually like pretty cool. Okay, but now I have this like rainbow one. I know you saw it on my other video, but yeah. And then we have this fidget pad, also from that video. But then we have this like mini crab. And yeah. Once this video gets up to 9 minutes, I'm gonna do my part 2. So yeah. But now we have the noodles. Yes, really cool. But it's like, it became sticky for some reason. But yeah. Okay, so I will see you on part 2. Bye!